According to a UN report, a money transfer firm linked to an Australian national believed to have been photographed while holding severed heads of Syrian soldiers is suspected of transferring up to $15.47 million to finance Islamist militants. The figure was included in a report on foreign fighters prepared by a team of experts that monitors compliance with the United Nations Security Council's al-Qaeda sanctions regime. The group said in its report, a money transfer business owned by the sister and brother-in-law of an Australian foreign terrorist fighter, Khalid Sharoof, was shut down. Australia last year issued arrest warrants for Sharoof and another Australian citizen believed to be fighting with Islamic State in Syria after images emerged of the two holding the severed heads of Syrian soldiers.